be lazy. Cell phone use, taking pictures, and filming are prohibited on this ride. Hats must be secured. Scarves and other free-flowing clothing are not permitted. Please secure all loose articles. Failure to comply may result in ejection from the park. Cedar Point is not responsible for anything lost or damaged while riding. Please watch your step as you enter the main hall. Once seated, pull down and push up on your lap bar to make sure that it is locked securely against your body. If you need assistance, notify the associate who will physically check your restraints.
Attention riders, hi, Ziggy here. Cell phone use, taking pictures, and filming are prohibited on this ride. Hats must be secured. Scarves and other free-flowing clothing are not permitted. Please secure all loose articles. Failure to comply may result in ejection from the car. Cedar Point is not responsible for anything lost or damaged while riding.
All right, Ride Warriors, I don't know if you can hear me all the way over there, but we are on the brand new Wild Mouse at Cedar Point. I am in the cheese car, as you can see. We are about all the way up the top here, so we're going to be coming down here very quickly. They say this is the best car to be in, so we're going to find out. Also the best seat, they say. So here we go! Woo! Oh, yeah, there we go! Oh, that's what we're talking about! Oh! Oh yeah, there we go. Woo. Oh, got a good spin going on. Oh, takes you right in there. Yes, that is quite the ride. Super smooth. And you can tell we are spinning fast. There we go. Look at that. Brand new right here at Cedar Point, Wild Mouse. Get the cheese car if you can. Get a little bit unbalanced if you can. You get a brand spanking new spin on here. This has been a fantastic ride. And it looks like we're down for maintenance.
Attention riders, this is it. Cell phone use, taking pictures and
Oh man. So we are now on the ride here. So went through the whole boardwalk. Hopefully you saw our live video walking through the brand new Grand Pavilion. I don't know if we're gonna get a chance to walk through the whole boardwalk. It is getting kind of late here. I don't know how long they are going to be putting us on this ride for. And leaving this ride open. It's been a great day here. A couple of hours in the park, got a ride on Calypso. Robert Raptor got his first ride on Calypso. Really his first big ride. He loved it, every second of it. Tried to get on Scrambler, wasn't tall enough to get on there. So we're trying to stretch him out for the rest of the season. But we got our credit here. Might be getting evac'd here too. We'll see what happens. I don't know. The last group did get evac'd off of here. So we'll see if we get evac'd as well. It'll be a fantastic end to this day. So hopefully this year you get a chance to come out here, get a chance to ride Wild Mouse. Oh, yeah, here we go.
That's the reason. I've seen it goes spinning along, the car moves forward.
Oh.